Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. It's time for Stamp Play and Stamping Sunday. These are two open collaborations that encourage us to use our rubber stamps. Our host channel for Stamp Play is Susan's Heartstrings, and for Stamping Sunday, it's Thelma Hall. I recently got this thrifted stamp to make a nice recipe card. It says it's from Delafield Stamp Company, Delafield, Wisconsin. I've never heard of that company before, but I really liked the look of this recipe card stamp. I like to journal and scrapbook with recipes. Here's an example of a recipe book I did using my husband's grandmother's recipes. And I have done a number of different vintage recipe projects. I have a playlist of those projects. I will link to it up in the card. I've been wanting to do some more with recipes, so I thought let's stamp out some of these cute recipe card images, and then I'll have them ready to go when I start my project. I'm using VersaFine ink. This is pigment ink that gives me nice crisp details, and I always stamp on an old phone book or an old coloring book. I have not stamped with this yet, but I just cleaned the stamp with my homemade stamp cleaner solution. If you'd like to make your own, I will link to the short video with the recipe up in the card. That looks great. What I'll do is stamp these out, and then I can cut them out, and I will maybe color the images a little bit, or I may distress the edges of the cards. We'll see. It'll be fun. They can be tucked behind recipes as an embellishment. I'll show you what that looks like in a second, or I can actually write a recipe on these cards. You can use them both ways. Here's an example of a page where I have the vintage recipe, and then I've put a recipe card in the background as an embellishment on the page. Have you heard of the Delafield, Wisconsin Stamp Company before? Do you have any of these Delafield stamps in your collection? Based on this stamp, they probably had a lot of cute stamps. Maybe they're still in business or out of business. If you know, please leave a comment and tell me all about it. So cute. If you've worked with recipes for journals or scrapbooks, I would love to hear about it. If you have some videos showing those projects, I'd love to watch those videos. Please leave a comment and I'll go check it out. Voila, let's get the straight edge out. It's a very, very thin line there, and I want to make sure that it is perpendicular to the line of the stamped image. It's kind of convenient how you can just see that and cut it out like this. And we have some Distress Oxide Vintage Photo. I think that will look very, very nice on a project. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.